Okay, so I just kind of wanted to go over, this Kahoot, making learning awesome. I just started playing with this, and it seems pretty cool. So I already have an account. It's free. You don't have to pay for it. So I'm already logged in. So I just kind of wanted to show you what I see. If you go into this Discover kind of feature, you could do searches that I already have pre-built. Um, so I did this calculus, and then let's do limits. And I did this one, which is pretty cool. So it's already built in. So, this is a thing. In order for students to participate, they will have to use their cell phones. Or if you're in a lab room, I guess you could do it in the lab. But I will display this on the projector, and then the students would use their phones. So here, if you want to go and play, you could do the classic version, or you could do the team mode. Teams I'm going to try too, but let's just do the classic one. And then you have this code that you enter on your phone. Okay, so now I'm on the screen, and then you'll hit start. And then you have 11 questions. You don't always have to do all the questions, but it is like a way to, get them going. And then there's music. And so evaluate the limit, and as x is approaching 1 from the right, so in this case, you use your phone and you input the answer, and then on your phone, it will tell you that you're correct. And then you could hit the next one, and it gives you points. And so I guess if, you had other players playing, their points will be displayed as well. And so next, evaluate the limit without using a calculator. You actually have to do some work here, but they don't know L'Hopital's rule. So if you quickly did L'Hopital's rule and you put 0, then you should get 8, right? And then you hit next. So, and then I'll do another one. And so what I really like, so what if I didn't get it right? So I'm like, oh, and they have music, so it's kind of cool. So if I'm coming from the right, and I put 1, I like on the phone it says, incorrect, your answer streak lost, great try, you're still in first place. So it does provide that positive reinforcement. And if you hit, show media, I guess it goes to the image. And then if you hit next, we'll do another one real quick. And again, it's another limit 1. And again, like, I don't know. And so I'm just guessing with my phone. And it says incorrect. Dust yourself off. Greatness awaits. So I think it's like the positive affirmations that I like. These are already built in, so you don't have to do the work, but again, the students do have to use their phone. But it kind of engages, the student to want to perform. It's very interactive. Anyhow, I just wanted to share that with you. Let's see what happens if I click out. Because there was something that I wanted to kind of do too. I kind of want to start doing definitions. So I wonder if there is a calculus, maybe history. I want to make one that deals with calculus. Oh, look at history of calculus. Ooh, look at this. Because I'm going to show a video. This is going to be cool. You could show a video, and then, you know, take this one. So it's just kind of, sorry if this is lengthy, but this is kind of cool and a classic. And then we can hit start. And then I have to put that code in. 9091527. Oops. 7. Enter. I'll just put CP. Once I'm here, then I hit start. So let's see how my history of calculus is. What's the first question? The period of time calculus was used to find areas of odd-shaped figures. Oh. Development? I don't know. Anticipation, calculus. I put that. I got it in. Don't worry, nobody's perfect. Not so true. Anticipation. Okay. So let's see what the next one is. I have 0 points. That's perfectly fine. The period of time that brought all the techniques together. I have no idea. I guess we'll go with that. I got it wrong again. Nothing worth having comes easy. Development. Okay. I guess 0 0. All right. What other job uses calculus? Dentist. What other job? I mean, a physicist, right? Correct. I got some points. Okay. I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. So I'm going to see how I can incorporate this. And I'm pretty sure you could do it in all other subjects too. And you can make your own quizzes too. I just haven't gotten that far yet. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye.